Hey guys, this is another video regarding your fuel system on Humvees. When you purchase one of these things, make sure you do not try to get it started because you don't know what the hell is inside the tank and you will ruin the system. I mean, there's this thing called diesel bug. It's not really literally a bug, but it's a sludge stuff that sits at the bottom of the tank, and it's like crude oil. It's really sticky. Let me show you this one. This is the tank that I pulled out of that one. Okay, let me show you. I kind of put some gas in it and slushed it around and cleaned it, but still did not come out. As you can see, look, this is the lines that pick up the diesel. See this stuff? See how it comes off, look. That's the stuff I'm talking about. That's what they call diesel bug. It's like petroleum that sits at the bottom of the tank, and when your pump, your mechanical pump picks it up and goes right through the lines into your filter. Let me show you. This is what happens to the filter. See? It's full of this stuff. And that stuff will end up in your injection pump. It will ruin the injection pump. It will stop flowing fuel through the lines. See, look. It's all inside. I gotta clean it up real good. So what you wanna do is drain your fuel from the tank. This is what I did. Let me show you. Look, I can see some of it on this bucket that I drained at the bottom of the tank. You just can't even see the bottom. The black stuff that's in the bottom. Let me show you, see if I can pick it up with the see that stuff? It's really sticky. Look, it's at the bottom of the bucket. It's just like your tank. It just sits there, look. And it's by a lot of it. Okay? That stuff ends up in your lines, your filter, and ends up in your injection pump. And if you let the car sit around, it will not start because the fluid will not flow through your to the injectors, I mean. And what I'm doing to this one is I put in a external filter. That's what I did. You cannot put this underneath the car. There's no space for it. So this is the line that's coming from the tank. This is the line that's going to the mechanical pump. So it's gonna suck it through here, go back into that mechanical pump, right into the filter that I just showed you, and into the injection pump. This suckers cost like, I bought two for like 25 bucks. It was on sale on Amazon. You can see, and it shows you what to do with it. You gotta fill it with fuel before you crank your engine. So you gotta get some air out of the line, so you have to crank it quite a bit to get the air out of the system. So what I'm doing right now is that I'm changing that filter. Put a new filter, new oil ring, and a new water separator. And I'm gonna clean that housing real good before I put it back on and see if the vehicle starts, because it did not want to run. So starting with the cheap stuff and going to the expensive spot, which is the injection pump. If it doesn't start, that means the injection pump is done. If you don't get any diesel flowing through your lines to the injectors, you can undo one of the lines on the back of the engine, like that one right there, and crank your engine And if nothing comes out, I got bad news for you. Or I'm gonna got bad news for whoever owns this damn thing. And you're gonna have to replace the injection pump. I have a guy that can do it for, I think he rebuilds them for like $450. But it's like 2 hours and a half from here. But a brand new one, it costs you like $1,200 to $1,500. And I've seen some guys selling them rebuilt, $1,100 to $1,200, the injection pumps. So do not start this vehicle if you get one. Make sure you drain all your fluids from the tank. Make sure you don't have that diesel bug. And if you do, throw some gas inside there and slush it around, or drop the tank and just clean it up before you do anything, before you crank this thing in. Because you might ruin your injection pump and get some of that junky stuff in your lines. And it's gonna get worse. It's gonna get expensive really quick. So I'm gonna clean these up and I'm gonna see if it starts. If it doesn't start and I don't get enough fuel in the back of the lines of the injectors, that means the injection pump is done. It was clogged out with all this shit that went inside of it. Okay, that's just a quick video, and hope that helps you out before you ruin your vehicle when you get it. Do not start it. Do not try to start it. And if you do, make sure you unplug the top of your fuel tank and get a flashlight and check if you have any diesel bug inside there, all the slushy stuff, that gummy stuff. It kind of looks like crude oil. Honestly, it's really sticky. It's really sticky and very thick. Really, really thick. So I hope this helps at all. Comments, let me know. Okay, thanks.